Good morning. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations at Colonial Intermediate Unit 20. Today is February 5th, 2021. This is Tech Tips episode number 77. This is part 4, the last part of a series of videos that we've been doing on how we can use Google Forms to automate the registration process for an event, as well as send follow-up emails to registrants with all of the different sessions that they've picked, as well as the Zoom links for each session and some add to calendar buttons. So in the three previous episodes, we covered how we do all of the groundwork for this. And in this last episode, we're going to go over the mail merge process. So I use yet another mail merge at my intermediate unit. We subscribe to the service. It's one fee for the entire year for all of our users. So what we want to do, we want to go ahead and click on add-ons and then yet another mail merge and then start mail merge. Once yet another mail merge loads, you're presented with this window here. Okay, you're asked to pick your email template. These email templates are coming from the draft emails that are in your Gmail drafts. And workshop registration confirmation is definitely the one we want to use. We can switch back over to my email and I can show you what that looks like. So you see I have nothing in the to line there. I have my subject in there. So name I have in the less than and greater than symbols. Anything that you want to be dynamic, go ahead and put that in between those double less than and greater than symbols. And make sure that the tag that you use here is equal to the column header in the spreadsheet. So for instance, for that name, if we go back to that spreadsheet, we can close this here, move over, there we go. So you see it says name there. Okay, so if we go back here, and the same thing for everything else. So this particular conference has 4 different sessions at different times. So I'm going to list the time there in the actual email. The session that they picked for the 9:45 to 10:45 is actually listed under the column session 1, 9:45 to 10:45. So that's why that looks exactly like that. It just matches the header in that column. So again, if we go over there, so right here, that is the column that contains the workshop that they registered for. Okay, go back here. And then add the calendar. We see session 1 Google, session 1 O365. That contain, each of those contains the code that we generated in the previous episodes to create those add to calendar buttons. And then for good measure, I also have the Zoom link there for each of the sessions. And then we just have a thank you. So that's our email draft. So if we go back to our spreadsheet and load up yet another mail merge one more time. Okay, we got who do you want the email to come from? What's going to be the sender name? You can switch that to whatever you'd like. The email template. If you want to track once the emails are opened, clicked or bounced, I typically do recommend you check that. And then you'll go ahead and click on send emails. If you want to practice and make sure that everything comes through fine first without blasting it out to everyone, you'll definitely want to go ahead and receive a test email. Okay, we see a status bar there. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3 messages sent. So we'll go ahead and click on OK. Okay, and we see again 3 messages are sent there. So if we go back to our email, okay, so here's the first email that we sent. So it says, Tom Kalinowski, thank you for registering. You registered for the following events. And of course, you could, your text could be whatever you'd like there. But so we have the times, the title of the conference, add the calendar links, and the Zoom link. So if we click that add the calendar link, let's say for this guy right here, we'll see that it does in fact bring up Google Calendar, has the title of the event, the Zoom link, and the dates and times. If we want to automate that mail merge, we can go ahead and click on add-ons again, yet another mail merge, and configure form submission notifications. Okay, once that comes up, we want to, in this particular case, notify address submitted by the form. We'll use that same email template. The recipients column is the email address. Okay, send their name, we'll keep that the same. We'll track once an email is open, clicked, or bounced. And we'll go ahead and click on save. Okay, so what that does is now anytime a new form is submitted, that merge will automatically run. So if we go ahead and click on OK here, we can see that these have already been run. If we go back to our form and click on preview to take a look at it and put in email address in there, and click submit, we can go back here. We can see that Google Sheets recorded that submission in the sheet, and then a couple seconds later, it automatically sent that email. Okay, and if we go over to my email, okay, here's that new message at 12:02 with all the information that I need to attend the conference. So I hope that this series of videos helps you in setting up your next workshop or conference. Certainly, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for other things that I'd cover or problems that you're having that you'd like me to try to solve for you, definitely put them down there. I'd love helping people out come up with efficiencies. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell at the bottom of this window. That way you'll be alerted anytime I post new how-to videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
You recording?
Yeah,
You were talking to me.
yeah, I'll cut it out.
Okay. All right. So what do you want for dinner? You want me to pick up maybe homemade pizza?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, can I put this in the video?
No.
I'm going to put it in now.
No.
Love you.